everyone, we got this package from Dude Wipes, and it's very clean. Opening. Ask adult for permission. Permission. So now we're going to open the Dude Wipes package. I only see some stuff. First, let's start with this hat they sent me. Dude Wipes. The Dude Wipes hat. Super awesome. I'm gonna take the tag off. And they sent me a pack of Dude Wipes. And let's see what's in here. I don't. Oh, I know what it is. Ugh. These are little packs of Dude Wipes. You can take them across. You can put them in your bag, or or hold them in the box. You can really hold these, and they're flushable. That was news that flushable. You can bring them anywhere. If you need to wipe yourself, wipe your face if it's messy, wipe your hands. Really good. And I can't wait to use these. So thank you, Dude Wipes, for watching this video. And I loved the new hat. It looks awesome. Hope you had fun, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Do you like Dude Wipes much better? Because I like it with the hat. The hat's cool. Goodbye.